I'm gonna make a potato salad. I don't like to use canned peas and carrot, so instead I have my own pastry. So let's pick some peas and let's make some potato salad. I have 20 peas. So let's pick some peas. Well, I already started actually. Alright, so let's pick some peas. We don't want too much. A little goes a long way in potato salad because you don't want the peas to be drowning out the potato in the salad. Okay, so we don't go to pick too much. But I want to start to pick the peas because I'm really terrible at picking peas. I love to plant it, I love to eat it. But the picking? Alright, so when I come back, we'll be inside putting everything together. And this is exactly why I just sometimes just leave the peas on the tree to just dry, because you put all this effort. I spent about 2 hours picking all this peas, okay? And this is how much peas here. And when you remove the shell, you get next to nothing. Whoo, so much shell on the ground. Like, wow, so much peas we have. This is what we get for standing in the sun for almost 2 hours. This is what we get. Anyway, so we're going to boil our potato and our carrots, and once it is peeled, we're going to start with our potato, and then we have our carrots. Now you can use the tin, but I just prefer fresh, and I have the tree. I have carrots. Why would I go and purchase? I blanch the peas. I don't cook the peas. Now you could cook the peas and then make the salad, but I eat it fresh. It is really delicious fresh. Just blanch it for a little bit, and then I start adding other seasoning. I went outside and I picked some of these herbs that you're seeing on your screen right now, and we are going to then add some salt to this. Now this is customary in the Caribbean. We would add beetroot to this. I want to make this as simple as possible. I have this vinaigrette on my YouTube channel. It would be in the end screen and the cards. You can check it out. So I mix the mustard and the vinaigrette together, and I create a nice little liquid there to add some extra acidity and sweetness to the salad. I add some mayo. Add as much mayo as you like to your salad, and I add my cayenne pepper. I don't know if it's because I just like pepper, but this thing just not hot. I just eat a whole cayenne pepper and doesn't even feel this thing. I don't know what's going on. And I just garnish with some mint. I went and I picked some mint outside, and that's how I made a lovely salad with my fresh peas and herbs from my garden. Don't forget to check out all of the links and the vinaigrette that I just mentioned on your screen right now. Bye.